Hey everybody, I'm here with a quick video on Diddy. Now, Diddy has a ton of lawsuits that will not even see their day in court until his criminal case is finalized. Well, listen, in the meantime, a lawyer, Ariel Mitchell Kid, who has about 3 clients accusing Diddy in civil suits, said that she has plans on perhaps coming to the courtroom with her accusers so they can just kind of, I guess, stare Diddy down as he fights this criminal case. Well, listen, maybe as a lawyer, she'll have an inside, side door she could get into to be in the gallery of this trial. But right now, when I tell you everybody is fighting to get through the door to be in that gallery, they even are paying people to stand in line for them so that they can definitely have a seat in the court. So, Ariel Mitchell, Kid, if you want to utilize your time to go in the courtroom to get Diddy a stare down, then good luck with that. Let me go ahead and share screen so we can get more into this story. So Diddy trial. The assault accusers may show up at the New York City trial to stare down alleged abuser, attorney says. These attorneys now, they built different. And when I mean they're built different, they're here for the antics, dramatics, and everything for the social media. It seems like I know the regular people, they do everything for their social media and just to get attention. But when have you known a lawyer to have time to go to a courtroom just so they could stare down one of the accusers is crazy to me. But hey, Ariel Mitchell Kid must have time. So Diddy is already facing off with prosecutors in his sex trafficking trial that kicked off Monday in a New York City courtroom. But he may also have to stare down several accusers who have filed civil lawsuits against him, TMZ has learned. Florida-based attorney Ariel Mitchell, who represents 3 of Diddy's alleged victims in civil cases and potentially a 4th, says she might fly up to the Big Apple to attend the music mogul's federal criminal trial with her clients. I wouldn't be bringing my clients for that. Like, so your clients are accusing this man of SA. I want them to sit through brutal testimony that perhaps are coming from other alleged SA people that he abused. I want to traumatize you like that? I don't know. Y'all talk to me and let me know. Am I crazy? As you know, Diddy is on trial for allegedly committing a slew of crimes, including racketeering, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He's also accused of forcing women to engage in freak-offs, marathon sex sections that include male sex workers, according to the federal prosecutors. Mitchell tells TMZ, the clients I represent, including Miss Sarah Rivers, Miss Ashley Parham, and Miss Latoya Grayson, and maybe soon to be filed a 4th client, a male, intend to possibly attend the criminal trial of Mr. Combs. She adds, we are looking into logistics to ensure whoever wants to attend may be afforded the opportunity to see their abuser brought to justice. Day 1 of the Diddy trial kicked off today, Monday morning, with jury selection. One of the potential jurors, juror number 2, stood out from the rest, revealing he's a massage therapist who's worked in 2 fancy Manhattan hotels, cited in a jury questionnaire, and who mentioned recognizing the actors Michael B. Jordan and Mike Myers. The man also said his sister was a victim of domestic violence, but says he can still be fair to Diddy, who was caught on video beating up his ex, Cassie. That video will be a key piece of evidence in the trial. Speaking of Diddy, he was dressed in a suit, sporting reading glasses as he sat at the defense table, quietly listening to the proceedings with a full head of gray hair. TMZ is covering all developments in detail for the length of the trial, and we got answers to all your questions. So they said stay tuned. And I've been staying in tune with TMZ. So let me go back to this Ariel Mitchell kid. As a lawyer, I definitely would not be bringing my clients to see this. I would perhaps maybe keep my clients updated so they know, okay, he's closer to, them getting a verdict. And then right after whatever this verdict is, we can go ahead and pursue our civil lawsuits. But would I want to bring them there, subject them to having to see him and or stare him down? I think that is just crazy. You don't want this case to be a circus. You want whatever happens in that courtroom, there be no room for him to say, just in case he is found guilty, there will be no room for him to say that he didn't have a fair trial because the whole thing was a circus and people are getting distracted because potential civil lawsuit accusers are sitting in the gallery. So you don't want that. Ariel, listen, I give tips every now and then, not to say that you are listening, but maybe somebody that knows you is listening and can relay this message to you. It's a bad move. I wouldn't do it. If you're going to go, that is one thing, but I wouldn't go and bring my clients who was allegedly abused by this man. It just doesn't make sense. Anyway, guys, chat with me in the comments, and when I get an opportunity, I will chat back. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are a subscriber, welcome back, everybody. Thanks for watching. The question here is, if you were Ariel Mitchell kid and you have 4 clients that said this man, allegedly abused them, would you want to bring them to the courtroom for this criminal trial so that they would have to sit there, hear testimony? I don't know. This is crazy. Yay or nay is the question. Would you bring your clients or would you not? Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.